A very useful feature on our dashboard website is the ability to share your network to other Mesh++ users. Allowing access to a network can be beneficial for teams that are setting up and operating it together. Begin by clicking the circular Account button on the top right corner of the page. Select My Team to be taken to the team's overview page. Here, you'll see each Mesh++ user currently invited to your team. You may change their statuses by clicking the pencil on the right side, or delete them from your team by clicking the trash can next to it. Click the Invite User button and enter the email address of the Mesh++ user that you wish to add to your team. Once a valid email address has been added, a list of all your networks will appear below. If you have more than one, you can toggle which specific network is being shared, or allow access to all of them. Once toggled, you may change between allowing the user to be a viewer or manager. To allow them to edit various node and network parameters, select Manager. Once you click Share Networks, the user will receive an email invitation that they must accept to access your network. They are then able to view it from the dashboard website or mobile app.